how to manage versions of a file on Google Drive. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage versions of any file on Google Drive easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Google Drive and log into your account, and now choose the file that you want to manage versions on. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on the right mouse on the file and now click on manage versions. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.